Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly replace or swap out a layer in your composition with a clip from your project bin without losing any of the effects or any of the keyframes or anything that you've done to that layer. This is great if you want to swap out logos, photos, graphics, etc. I'm going to show you two different ways to do it in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. So I want to replace this logo with another logo. If I twirl open this layer, you can see here that I've already got some keyframes built in. So there's some animation already on this logo. I have motion blur, I have a drop shadow layer style. I just want to swap out the logo. All you need to do is select the layer that you want to replace in your composition. Then you're going to come up to your project bin, select the clip from your project bin that you want to replace it with. If you're on a Mac, hold the Option key. If you're on a PC, hold the Alt key. Just drag the clip from your project bin right on top of the logo, and boom, it replaces it. And if I twirl it down, you see it's got the new logo, but all the keyframes, the motion blur, the layer style are all intact. If you replace it with another size image, you may have to scale up or down, but it will maintain all of the layer properties. And the second way to replace or swap out a layer in your composition is even easier using a keyboard shortcut. All you need to do is select the layer in your composition that you want to replace. Locate the clip or footage in your project bin that you're going to replace it with, and use the keyboard shortcut Command Option / on a Mac, or Control Alt /. The backslash is right below the question mark, so Command Option / automatically swaps out that layer. I'll select another one up here, Command Option / pretty cool. Command Option / everything on the layer will be intact. You're just swapping it out for another footage. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you quickly replace or swap out layers in your composition in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Cheers!